Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. Today we have a package. As you can see, I already opened it, but let's get into it. As you all know, the color of this box, you're a sneakerhead. You know, they only made this as a women's exclusive. Now, they dropped this, sneaker plenty of times before. But before we get into the shoes, if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. You could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. Please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, now I did go and order these from GOAT. They were like 200 bucks, 220 bucks, something like that. Wasn't much over retail. I wanted to get the review out for you guys. First off, we're going to take a first look at them, so let's do that. Standard Jordan red box. Just the entire box is red, and the text is black, as you can see. Now, it does come with the dust bag. I'm sure you've seen it around the internet already. But me personally, I'll never use this. I really will never use this. Maybe I'll give it to my daughters or something. They'd probably, put their baby toys in it or whatnot. But guys, please stay tuned, because we are going to be doing a review and on foot. That's going to be in the next video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I cannot stress that anymore. Also, too, if you're brand new, you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, just hit that notification bell down below. Now, obviously, back in, 2018, when they actually released this shoe and it had the numbers, I'm not really sure what number it, what numbers actually came out, but they made the Royals, they made the Breds. Now they actually released it to the public. So here you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Bred Satin. I've never owned a pair of Satins before. I did own the 2016 Breds. I actually got a gift from, who did I get it from? Either Shoe Butter or Mark. Can't remember which one of you guys. But at times I was having trouble with, income, and I needed to get rid of them. So I did. I do regret it. I am trying to hunt that pair back down. But then I seen these sitting on GOAT, not for a crazy amount of money. You would think a few years ago these shoes would be $350, $400. Incredible. Also, don't forget, these are dropping October 18th. I believe the retail price is $180. Now, we all know it's going to be a pain in the neck to actually grab these. We did the Travis Scotts today too. Obviously, we did not win. Yeah, this is what they hit me with. We all know, we're all sneakerheads, so you know what they hit you with. Sorry, your submission was not selected. But I kind of knew that was happening. Wait, I just got another alert from the Sneakers app just right now. Oh, the University Low. I'm gonna wait for those to go on sale, or either J&M Sneakers will have those. We'll be doing a review on that shoe too. But yeah, man, these are super fire. Remember, the detailed review, the on foot, is coming soon, so please make sure you stay tuned to the channel. But overall, this is a fire pair of shoes. Please make sure you stay tuned because the review, the on foot, is coming soon. If you are not following me on IG, I'm going to be taking photos of these today as well. Be dropping it over there. The links to my Instagram in the description. Make sure you give me a follow. Almost at 10,000. I think we're at 8,500. We're at 7,050 subscribers here on YouTube. Every day we're growing. I can't complain. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys, you think. Do you approve? Are you picking these up? Are you upset that they didn't go bigger? I'm a little upset because they're a 10.5. These ain't gonna fit me too crazy. I'll probably do the review, the on foot, and probably just let these go. But let me know your thoughts, your comments, everything in the comment section down below. I also want to thank you guys, as I always do, for tuning in, day out. But it's going to be a little bit of a short video. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.
Do here is go back.